In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to change ringtone on this phone. So at first just open the settings, then find and select sound and go to advanced. Here you need to pick a phone ringtone and just pick the one that you would like to apply. Okay, so my device is muted, you will be able to hear it just within a couple of seconds. I will just volume it up. Okay, so now you can hear the sound, tap on OK then, and that's it. As you can see, phone ringtone has been applied. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.